Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for your coming to our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Kaisa Fata. Yanwansyah, and then Nabila Kotrunada and Dinda Anggraini. We are from the Mathematics Education Study Program. On this occasion, I would like to present about the Pythagoras theorem and integers.
First of all, I will explain the meaning of the Pythagoras theorem and Pythagoras theorem formula. Pythagoras theorem statement. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse sides is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides. The sides of this triangle have been named perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. Next, Pythagoras theorem formula. Consider the triangle given above where A is the perpendicular, B is the base, C is the hypotenuse. According to the definition, the Pythagoras theorem formula is given as C squared equal A squared plus B squared. Next.
Okay. Next, I will discuss an example of the Pythagorean theorem. Consider a right triangle given P. When the value of x is the set opposite to the right angles, hence it is a hypotenuse. Now, by the theorem we know hypotenuse square is base square plus perpendicular square. Example 1, x square is x square plus 6 square. X square is 16 4 plus 36 is 100. X is square root of 100. X is 10. Next, Pythagoras theorem proof. Given a right triangle triangle ABCD, rectangle at B. To prove AC square is AB square plus BC square. Construction: draw a perpendicular BD meeting AC at D.
Next, I will discuss the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Proof: we know triangle ADB congruent with triangle ABC. Therefore, corresponding side of similar triangles are AB square equal AD times AC for equation 1. Also, triangle PDC congruent with triangle ABC. Therefore, corresponding side of similar triangles are BC square equal CD times AC for second equation. Next, adding the times equation 1 and 2, we get for equation 1, AB square plus BC square equal AD times AC plus CD times AC. For equation 2, AB square plus BC square equal AC times AD plus CD. Since AD plus CD equal AC. Therefore, AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Thank you. Next, we will study integer material.
Okay. First of all, I will explain the meaning of the definition integers, symbol, and type of integers. Definition integers. What are integers? The word integers originates from the Latin word integers, which means whole or intact. Integers is a special set of number combining zero, positive number, and negative numbers. Okay, example of integers is -1, -20, plus 6, plus 50. Okay, next. Symbol. The integers represented by the symbol z. Z is blah blah blah, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, and plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. Type of integers. Number 1, 0. 0 is a positive nor negative integers. It is a natural number. 0 has no sign plus or minus, positive or negative. Positive integers. The positive integers are the natural number or also counting numbers. Three integers are also sometimes denoted by z positive. The positive integers line on the right side of 0 on a number. Z positive is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20 positive. Okay. Negative integers. The negative integers are the negative of natural numbers. They are denoted BZ negative or BZ minus. The negative integers line on the left side of 0 on a number line. Z minus is -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, and blah blah blah.
Next, I will discuss the integers of number line, rules of integers, and operation on integers. Integers on number line. How to represent integers on number line? As we have already discussed the three categories of integers, we can easily represent them on a number line based on positive integers, negative integers, and 0. 0 is the center of integers on a number line. Positive integers lie on the right side of 0, and negative integers lie on the left. Next, rules of integers. 1. Sum of two positive integers is an integer. 2. Sum of two negative integers is an integer. 3. Product of two positive integers is an integer. 4. Product of two negative integers is an integer. 5. Sum of an integer and its inverse is equal to 0. 6. Product of an integer and its reciprocal is equal to 1. Next, operation on integers. Addition of integers. While adding the two integers with the same sign, add the absolute value, and write down the sum with the signs provided with the numbers. For example, positive 4 plus positive 7 equal positive 11. Negative 6 plus negative 4 equal negative 10. While adding two integers with different signs, subtract the absolute values and write down the difference with the sign of the number which has the large absolute value. For example, negative 4 plus positive 2 equal negative 2. Positive 6 plus negative 4 equal positive 2. Next, subtraction of integers. While subtracting two integers, change the sign of the second number which is being subtracted and follow the rules of addition. For example, negative 7 minus positive 4 equal negative 7 plus negative 4 equal negative 11. Positive 8 minus positive 3 equal positive 8 plus negative 3 equal positive 5.
Next, I will discuss the multiplication of integer, division of integer, and application real life of integer. Multiplication of integer. First, if both the integer have the same sign, then the result is positive. And then, if the integer have different sign, then the result is negative. For example, 1 positive 2 times positive 3 equal positive 6. 2 positive 3 times negative 4 equal negative 12. Next. Thus, we can summarize the multiplication of two integers with example in the below table. Multiplication of sign. Positive times positive, result sign positive. Example, 3 times 4 equal 12. Multiplication of sign. Positive times negative, result sign negative. Example, 3 times negative 4 equal negative 12. Multiplication of sign negative times positive, resulting sign negative. Example, negative 3 times positive 4 equal negative 12. Multiplication of sign negative times negative, result sign positive. Example, negative 3 times negative 4 equal positive 12. Next, division of integer. If both the integer have the same sign, then the result is positive. And then, if the integer have different sign, then the result is negative. Similarly, positive 6 divide positive 2 equal positive 3. 2 negative 16 divide positive 4 equal negative 4. Next, table of division. Division of sign. Positive divide positive, result sign positive. For example, positive 15 divide positive 3 equal positive 5. Division of sign. Positive divide negative, resulting sign negative. For example, positive 15 divide negative 3 equal negative 5. Division of sign negative divide positive, resulting sign negative. For example, negative 15 divide positive 3 equal negative 5. Division of sign negative divide negative result sign positive. For example, negative 5 divide negative 3 equal positive 5. Next. Application integer in real life. Integer have many real life application. The effect of positive and negative number in the real world is different. For example, when the temperature is above zero, positive number are used to denote temperature, whereas negative number indicate the temperature below zero. They help one to compare and measure to things like how big or small or more or fewer things are, and hence can quantify things. Some real life situation where integers come into play are player scores in golf, football tournament, the rating of movies or song. In bank, credit and debit are represented as positive and negative amount respectively. Next.
Next, I will discuss an example of the integers. Example 1 is 5 plus 3 is blah blah blah, yes, plus 8. 5 plus minus 3 is blah blah blah, yes, plus 2. Minus 5 plus minus 3 is blah blah blah, yes, minus 8. Minus 5 multiplication minus 3 is, yes, 50. Example 2, number 1, plus 5 multiplication plus 10 is plus 50. 12 plus 12 multiplication plus 5 is positive plus 16. Minus 5 multiplication plus 7 is minus 25. Plus 5 multiplication minus 4 is, yes, minus 20. Okay, example 3, minus 9 divided by minus 3 is 3. Minus 18 divided by plus 3 is, yes, minus 6. Okay. Anyone want to everybody? Okay, a question will be discussed at the next meeting. Thank you for listening and say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.